Dear friends, my name is Ali Bukhari and I'm the principal solicitor at Bukhari Chambers Solicitors in London. Today I'm discussing visit visa applications to the UK. It seems to be a very simple topic. For me, of course, I've been in practice for 19 years now, practicing immigration law, so it seems like a simple enough idea, but I see the same mistakes being committed again and again. So today's topic, the visit visas to the UK, is simply to correct your mistakes. Number one mistake that I see. People tend to think that if you have a bank balance, a huge, massive bank balance, then that is the surety or a guarantee towards a successful visit visa application. Absolutely not. You could go in today, put in, say, 100,000 in your account, and tomorrow make an application saying, well, look at my account and I've got so much money in there, therefore I can afford to go. That is not going to work. What works for a visit visa application is your ties with your country and how you accumulated that money. So if you've got 100,000 sitting in your account and you're able to show that you have a continuous business interest or you have a job and that job pays you some money from where you have been collecting that money, and that is how that 100,000 has grown, then you will not have any issues. But if you put in a large amount of money, then the usual kind of refusals you will see is the entry clearance officer sitting there calculating how many times your claimed income is that accumulated amount. So if you said that you earn 20,000 a month or 20,000 a year, depending upon where you are, let's say 20,000 rupees sitting in Pakistan, for example, you're earning a month, and you've got, let's say, 1,000,000 rupees sitting in your account. The way the entry clearance officer is going to look at is going to say that, oh, this is 500 times of your claimed monthly income or whatever it is, and therefore I am not satisfied that this is the right depiction of your financial situation in Pakistan. So likewise, wherever you are in the world, if you are paying your taxes, that needs to be shown. Your ties with your country, if you have dependent children, are they going to school? Do they have their school holidays coming up when you're taking them away? Because if you're thinking of taking them away in term time, that's not going to work. So a lot of these things need to be considered. Simply your ties to your country, that is when the applicant's situation is being looked at. And if you have a sponsor in the UK, by the way, a lot of people think that you have to have a sponsor. Absolutely not. You can come to the UK simply on the basis of a booking in a hotel. If you want to come to the UK to just see the sights around and to enjoy the wonderful weather, wonderful British weather, then all you need to do is have a holiday booked in a hotel. And if you've got that hotel booking confirmation, you've got a confirmation from your employers that you are continuing to work there, you've got a bank statement that shows regular amounts coming into your account, and you've got savings to show that you are able to spend that money, nothing wrong with that. Secondly, if you do have a sponsor, then the sponsor needs to show that they have legal status in the UK, that they have suitable accommodation where they are going to accommodate you, and that they have enough resources to be able to look after you while you're their guests in the UK. Of course, these are just very basic guidelines. A lot of people do decide to do their applications themselves, just like the example I always give. If you have an appendix pain, you don't go to YouTube and get a knife and a fork from the kitchen and start following a video to take out your own appendix. There is a reason why doctors do that. And there is a reason why lawyers do applications, because not that we have any extra brains, but because we are trained in this. So if you are thinking of making a visit visa application and you want to instruct Bukhari Chambers, please go to bukharichambers.com and book a suitable consultation. And I myself or my associate, Mrs. Marjan Nazarati, will be happy to guide you. Thank you very much.